क्यों नहीं हुआ तामील?
सर क्षमा प्रार्थी हूँ सर।
नहीं नहीं, क्षमा प्रार्थी तो ठीक है, आप कब तक क्षमा करते रहेंगे, मांगते रहेंगे, और कब तक हम देते रहेंगे? आपके अधिकारियों पे नियंत्रण क्या है?
कार्रवाई के लिए शोकॉज जारी किया है सर। मैं भी अभी 8 दिन पहले ज्वाइन किया हूँ सर।
हाँ। कब तक तामील होके आ जाएगा?
तामील हो गया
सर।
हो गया?
डिले हुआ साहब, 5 के पहले होना था, 5 और 6 को हुआ। बोथ आर प्रेजेंट माय लॉर्ड।
आपको बुलाते ही हो गया तामील? आपको व्यवस्था समझ में आ रही है कि आपके अधिकारी कितने निष्कृष्ट हैं कि दे टेक कोर्ट ऑर्डर्स वेरी लाइटली? We have to call you to get our orders executed. We have no personal work from you. We don't wish to call you again and again. We understand that work relating to common public is affected, but you have no control over your subordinates. ठीक है. Be cautious next time. See that our orders are complied in letter and spirit within the prescribed time period. लिखिएगा. What's your good name?
संपत उपाध्याय।
श्री संपत कुमार.
संपत उपाध्याय।
संपत उपाध्याय।
श्री संपत उपाध्याय, Superintendent of Police, Jabalpur, is present in person. He submits that he has recently joined at Jabalpur. Full stop. He tenders apology for the misconduct of his subordinates and submits that he has already issued show cause notice to them. Full stop. He assures that appropriate action will be taken on the basis of those show cause notices. Full stop. Next. Appellants. आप बैठिए प्लीज. ठीक है. हाँ बताइए, आपका नाम बताइए.
बचैया रमेश साहब
जी.
बचैया रमेश।
बचैया एलियस रमेश. कहाँ है आपके वकील साहब?
सुनील कुमार नेमा है।
हम थोड़ा ना ढूंढने जाएंगे. कुछ आधार कार्ड वगैरह लाए हैं आप?
आधार कार्ड लाए हैं
सब पुलिस वाले छुड़ा के फेंक दे परसों के दिन।
तो फिर एसपी साहब से आइडेंटिफाई करवा देते हैं, वही गिरफ्तार करके लाए हैं.
मैं गिरफ्तार नहीं किए थे, चल के मैं
तो कांस्टेबल लाया, उसको बुलाइए.
एक रात एक दिन।
अरे भाई रुक तो जाइए आप.
पहला में रखो है साहब।
रखा है तो दे दीजिएगा, दे दीजिएगा. रुक जाइए, अभी यहीं खड़े रहिए.
ओरिजिनल वाला है ना फोटो कॉपी।
7 तारीख 6 तारीख 5 की रात को उसको पेशी लगी. सब चला था.
तो सुन लेंगे.
हाँ सुन लेते हैं. हाँ वो तो देखो रहते हैं, ये खासे छुट्टी देखो. हाँ एमआई को अपॉइंट कर देंगे किसी. हाँ दूसरे का नाम बताइए.
आपका क्या नाम?
अर्जुन रमेश।
श्री अर्जुन
रमेश. पिता का नाम रमेश.
अच्छा, अर्जुन सन ऑफ रमेश, present in person. Their counsel is absent. They have produced their Aadhaar card in support of their. क्या लाए हो? तो तुम तो इन्हीं के लड़के हो, इन्हीं के लड़के हो ना, इन्हीं के लड़के हो ना?
नहीं साहब।
अच्छा.
बचैया कौन है?
बचैया तो ये आगे जो खड़ा छोटा वाला.
अर्जुन कौन है? तो शंकर जी जो बना है महाकाल.
वो रमेश गोटिया है, ये रमेश केवट है. इनके पिता का नाम रमेश गोटिया.
अच्छा अच्छा. कौन लेकर आया इसको? कांस्टेबल वही आइडेंटिफाई करेगा. ये माता जी कहाँ से आ गई है? इनको बैठाइए ना.
आधार कार्ड है ना।
अच्छा आधार कार्ड ले लो भैया, ले लो. किसका? आपका आधार कार्ड है?
हमारा साहब।
अच्छा. और इनका
है इसके पास भी से.
है? किसके पास?
मोबाइल में है तो उसका प्रिंट आउट निकलवा.
आ गया मोबाइल पे अब अचानक से? कितने होशियार हैं तुम लोग, तो पुलिस वालों से आगे हो यार. Their आधार कार्ड्स आर टेकन ऑन रिकॉर्ड. ले लेना फोटोकॉपी में करा लेना.
उसको ही मंगा ले.
टेकन ऑन रिकॉर्ड. चलिए.
आधार कार्ड भर लेने साथ जाने का. इसमें माइकस से पॉइंट करेंगे सब. इसको आज ही
कर रहे हैं, खत्म कर रहे हैं.
सुन लेना, खत्म जेल भेजे.
हमारे का पॉइंट करते हैं, इसको सुन लेते हैं लंच के बाद. ठीक है, हम देखते हैं. मैडम चंचल शर्मा आइए आप. शी इज अपॉइंटेड एज amicus क्यूरी। फाइल देखिए आप, दे दीजिए इनको एक बार to assess the court at as appellant submits that they have no contact with their lawyer. Full stop.
चालू करिए, खोल लीजिए।
Ramesh.
हाँ मैडम, क्या देखा?
Yes, Lordship, conviction based on oral declaration of parents of the deceased, Lordship. जी, Lordship, मैं ये जो पढ़ रही हूँ, मैं अपनी औरत व लड़के के
FIR है,
Yes,
FIR।
FIR है ना?
जी FIR परिवार चलाता हूँ। मेरा लड़का बैसाखू भी रिक्शा चलाता है। मुद्दई बचैया उर्फ रमेश रिक्शा किराए पर लेते हैं। कल सुबह मेरा लड़का रिक्शा चला के गया, घर नहीं आया। आज सुबह करीबन 10 बजे बचैया व अर्जुन उसे टूटी फूटी हालत में घर लाए। तब लड़के ने मुझे व घरवाली को बताया कि बचैया के 3 दिन का किराया 45 रुपए देना बाकी था। इसी बात पर बचैया कल रात बातचीत कर स्टेशन
देखिए
के
मैडम,
पास से Yes, Lordship.
we propose to convict them under section 304 part 2
Yes,
with
Lordship.
5 years imprisonment. 2 साल हो चुके हैं, 2 साल बचा हुआ पीरियड इनको गुजारना पड़ेगा। आपको कुछ पूछना है तो पूछ लीजिए।
Lordship.
बहुत ही पुअर क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन है, कुछ पूछा ही नहीं, कोई एनिमिटी का सजेशन नहीं, कुछ
Yes, Lordship, लेकिन
ट्रायल
जो
बीन वेरी पुअरली
Lordship,
कंडक्टेड।
इसमें जो इंजुरीज जो ये बोल रहे, जो पेरेंट्स बोल रहे हैं लॉर्डशिप, लास्ट टाइम मतलब उनने जो कहा है वो डाउटफुल है लॉर्डशिप। मैंने ये देखा है इसमें जो पैरा 22 ऑफ द जजमेंट,
पैरा 22 जजमेंट, यस।
उनका कहना ये है कि डाउट का जो है बेनिफिट एक्यूज को थोड़ी मिलेगा, जबकि वो है सिंस एविडेंस ऑफ द फूलबती एंड सूरज is reliable on the point that deceased had told that he has been beaten by accused person, and clearly the conduct of the SHO Anil Vaidya, the investigating officer, has not been fair. Thus the evidence of parents of the victim is reliable on the point and cannot be rejected on doubt due to faulty investigation. उनके उसके पेरेंट्स की जो उनका कहना ये कि है
का कहना एक चोट आंख पे देखी थी, एक का कहना कान के पास देखी थी,
हाँ
बट सारी चोटें इंटरनल थी, ब्लीडिंग हीमोहेमरेज हुआ ब्रेन में और उससे डेथ हुई है।
लॉर्डशिप, और जो इनका कुछ इनके पास से रिकवरी भी नहीं हुई है लॉर्डशिप।
नहीं, रिकवरी
बेशरम
तो हुई
की
है,
डंडी से
बेशरम की
मारा।
डंडी से मारा है,
हाँ।
लात घूसों से मारा है। इंटेंशन 304 पार्ट 2 में इसीलिए ले जा रहे हैं कि उसका सिर्फ जान से मारने का इंटेंशन नहीं था इनका।
जी, और सर जैसा हमने कहा कि उनके पास से डिसीज के जो है सारे ब्लड कपड़े इन लोग के पास से हुए, और उसके लिए उन्होंने कहा कि वो तो हो ही नहीं सकता।
कहा हमने कपड़े उतरवा दिए थे, फिर पिटाई लगाई थी,
पर
वहां से कपड़े से क्या
पर जब वो लेके आए हैं तब पेरेंट्स के पास तो ऐसा नहीं था सर।
वो कपड़े पहन रखे।
हाँ, कपड़े उसके पहने हुए थे।
दिखाएं,
चलिए,
देखिएगा।
तो आज इनविटी का पूछा भी नहीं ना,
हाँ वो तो मैंने देखे नहीं सर, एविडेंस तो मैंने
पूछा ही नहीं कुछ।
वकील साहब ऐसा लगा कि सिर्फ घूमते हुए चले गए कोर्ट और वापस आ गए। इनके ऊपर बड़े मेहरबान थे।
ने उस पे भी नहीं काम किया सर, FIR पे भी।
The appellants Bachaiya alias Ramesh Kewat, son of Budhai Lal Kewat, and Arjun, son of Ramesh Gotia, being aggrieved of judgment dated 26th July 2000, passed by learned 7th Additional Session Judge, Jabalpur in Sessions Trial number 132/2000, whereby appellants have been convicted under section 302/34 IPC for causing homicidal death of Besaku and have been directed to undergo sentence of imprisonment for life with fine of rupees 2000 each, with default stipulation of further RI for 1 year. Next para. Appellants have been brought by the police full stop. As nobody is appearing for the appearance and appellants themselves informed that they have no contact with their counsel. They have been brought in pursuance of the bailable service of bailable warrant. चलिए क्या लिखा? Appellants, and it is informed by the appellants that they have no contact with their client counsel and they are poor persons. We have appointed Ms. Chanchal Sharma as amicus curiae from legal aid. Full stop. Next para. Srimati Chanchal Sharma, learned counsel for the appellant, submits that appellants are innocent. There is no corroborative evidence to corroborate the FIR, which is in the nature of oral dying declaration given by the deceased to his parents, PW. Three Radhabai, sorry, PW4 Poolbai and PW5 Suraj. Radhabai, examine English, PW3 sir. हाँ really. मैं देख लूँ सर. ये है राधाबाई. चलेगा 4 and 5 तो ठीक है.
Yes, Lordship.
Is submitted that wife of the deceased Baisaku, namely Radhabai, PW3, has turned hostile and has not supported prosecution case. Full stop. Radhabai, sorry, wife names Radhabai, sister of the deceased, has turned hostile. Thus, it is submitted. Full stop. Reading para 22 of the impugned judgment, it is submitted that learned trial court has admitted a fact that faulty investigation was carried out by station house officer Anil Vaidya, but instead of giving benefit of faulty investigation to the appellants, a finding of conviction is recorded which calls for interference and reversal. Next para. Shri Manas Mani Verma, learned government public prosecutor, in his turn submits that the impugned judgment of conviction is based on the oral dying declaration given by the deceased Baisaku to his parents, namely
Poolbai
Poolbai,
and Suraj.
PW4
Four.
and Suraj PW5,
5.
and on the basis of that oral dying declaration, FIR was lodged. Full stop. There is no effective cross-examination to allege any motive of falsely implicating the present appellants, and therefore their conviction does not call for any interference. Next para. ऊपर एक line और लिख लेना. Srimati Chanchal Sharma submits that since there was no intention to cause death, but even if the prosecution case is believed to be true, then in absence of any intention to cause death, case will fall under section 304 part 2 IPC and not under section 302 IPC. Next. After hearing learned counsel for the parties and going through the record, it is evident that that Dr. N.S. Kokrele, PW7, was examined and he stated that on 14/7/99 he was working as CMO in the medical college. Full stop. Constable Kashiram, number 225 from police station Ranji, had brought deceased Baisaku, son of Suraj Kaul. Full stop. On external examination, he had found following injuries on the body of the deceased Baisaku. Full stop. 1 से 9 तक पूरी लिख देना. उसके बाद in internal examination, it was found that blood was present between the skin of the head. Full stop. There was fracture on right frontal bone. Full stop. There was subdural and extradural hemorrhage present. Present on the right parietal region. Full stop. Heart cavity was full of blood. Full stop. There was fracture to fifth and sixth rib. Full stop. Pleura was ruptured, pale, and there was blood in the trachea. Full stop. Right lung was ruptured and was containing blood clot. Full stop. Left, the lung was pale. Full stop. All the chambers of the heart were empty. Full stop. There was peritorium. The peritorium was pale in the stomach. Full stop. Opinion was given that death of Baisaku took place on account of head injury and the injuries sustained by him in the chest, which resulted in shock and cardiorespiratory failure. Full stop. Due to hemorrhage, death had taken place within 24 hours of the postmortem. Full stop. Next. PW
Expertly put.
4 Phulbai has stated that her son Baisaku, that she and her husband Suraj had gone in the city. Full stop. When they came back at about 2:30 p.m., then they found Baisaku to be injured and lying in the home. Full stop. When they asked Baisaku as to what happened, then Baisaku had informed them that Arjun and Bachaiya had beaten him. Full stop. नहीं यहाँ पर से ये दो ही कह रही है, ये बाबूलाल का नाम लिखा है. Full stop. PW5 Suraj, father of deceased Baisaku, corroborated the statements of PW4 and in addition took name of Babulal. Full stop. He further stated that Baisaku was plying rickshaw of Bachaiya and he had on rent and he had dues for 2 days towards the rent of the rickshaw. Full stop. This testimony of PW4 and PW5 has largely remained unrebutted. Full stop. There is no contradiction in their testimony that Baisaku had informed them that he was beaten by Arjun and Bachaiya on account of non-payment of dues of rent for plying the rickshaw on rent. Full stop. Next, PW6 Anil Vaidya, SHO who conducted investigation, had seized a bamboo stick and clothes of the deceased by Exhibit P. ये बांस की लाठी लिखा है यहाँ पर से. क्या लिखा? And clothes of the deceased by Exhibit P3.
Yes.
Full stop. He stated that at the instance of accused Bachaiya, he had seized a Beshram ki jhadi by Exhibit P4 and prior to that he had recorded memorandum of Bachaiya. Full stop. Recovery of this Beshram ki lakdi was made from the house of Bachaiya. Full stop. Copy of memorandum is Exhibit P2. Full stop. Similarly, at the instance of accused Arjun, he had recovered his clothes and a lathi from the Pulia near State Gate number 6 of VFJ, where he had hidden that wide Exhibit P1. Full stop. He had taken statements of prosecution witnesses Suraj, Srimati Phulbai, Srimati Radhabai. Full stop. As is evident, as discussed above, Radhabai has turned hostile. Full stop. However, PW4 and PW5 have supported prosecution case and oral dying declaration of deceased. Full stop. In view of such oral dying declaration and the injuries as have been noted by PW7 Dr. Kurili naam tha na?
NS Kuril.
NS Kuril, comma, it is
Kufreli Lordship.
Kukhreli.
PW6.
It is evident that disease had sustained
हाँ.
as much as 9 injuries, out of which 2 were on 9 injuries, full stop. It is true that appellants may not have had any intention to cause homicidal death, but those injuries resulted in death of the accused, death of the disease, full stop. In view of such facts,
Hmm.
full stop. They are cut. क्या लिखा? In view of such facts, and also taking evidence of the prosecution witnesses on record that they have stated that the appellants had visited the house of the deceased to drop him to his house, reveals that they had no intention to cause homicidal death of Baisaku. Full stop. In view of such facts, to cause murder of Baisaku. Full stop. Those are exception.